how to add your Instagram link to your profile on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to Vimeo. This is the homepage, as you can see. Now go here, click here, and now on this page you will find many options. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find your website option. Click here on add a new link, and here write Instagram, and here add your Instagram URL and click save. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.